morning, students. Happy Raja to all of you. We are again meeting after 4 days of holidays. So it's time to bring you back from the festival mood. Let's go back to studies. I know you all might have forgotten certain rules and methods of Roman numerals, which I have explained you before, and if you remember, we have already been at the end of this chapter. But before going to the exercise, I request you all to again go through the book and my present video for complete revision. So, come children, let's revise what we have discussed about Roman numerals. Children, I've already told you that the Roman numerals come from the Romans. When the Jesus Christ was born, the Romans developed a totally different forms of numerations. There are 7 of alphabets were used as a basic symbols to write any numerals. Okay, what are they? They are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These are the 7 alphabet which has been used. Let's see what are I. I is denoted as 1, V is denoted as 5, X is denoted as your 10, L is been denoted as your 50, C is as 100, D is been denoted as 500, M is denoted as your 1000. Children, as a note I have written over here, you can see it, there is no symbol for 0. Okay, there is no symbol for 0. Let's come back to our basic rules to form Roman numerals. Let's see rule 1. Okay, what is that? Repetition of a Roman numerals means what? Means addition. Okay, next comes certain notes that first point is your only I, X, C and M can be repeated. Okay, number 2 point is your no numerals can be repeated more than 3 times. Okay, 3 times we cannot use more than that. Number 3 is what? V, L and D cannot be repeated. These 3 letters cannot be repeated. Understood? Now comes to your rule 2. What is that? Smaller numerals written to the right of the larger numerals is always added to the larger numerals. Means when the larger numerals will be right hand side, then we have to add it. Understood? Let's come back to the rule 3. What is that? If the smaller numerals written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numerals. Means when the smaller number is written on the left hand side, we have to subtract it. Okay, so there are certain notes. What are they? Just see. Number 1, V, L and D are never subtracted. These 3 letters cannot be subtracted. Number 2, 1 can be subtracted from V and X. Number 3, X can be subtracted from L and C. Number 4, C can be subtracted from D and M. These are the 4 notes which you have to do while doing any kind of subtraction. Now comes to your rule 4. What is that? When a smaller number is placed between 2 larger number, it is always subtracted from the larger number immediately following it.